Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to pause downloads or uploads on your PlayStation 4. So I'm going to go over to my library here, and I'm going to download a game quick. So I have just bought Quake 2. I'm going to download this to my PlayStation 4. Now, sometimes when you go ahead and download something, it doesn't download quickly. So just simply pausing the download can fix this, and then resuming it. So on the home screen here, let's go on over to notifications, and we can see the game in here and it's downloaded. Simply press X on it, and then you will see the option to pause it right here. And then we can simply go to resume and resume the download. Now, if you have multiple downloads under here, it's going to go ahead and download them in order. So you may want to go ahead and pause some of the downloads so your main download of the game that you want to go ahead and play is downloading the quickest. So pause the other downloads and resume those at another time and just download the main one. So Quake 2 is downloading. That is very easy to do. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.